Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Nigerian News and Entertainment. Lady Gaga opens up about wanting to become a mother and a wife. American singer and actress Lady Gaga has opened up about her future, the prospect of motherhood and marriage. The 34-year-old, who is in a relationship with tech entrepreneur Michael Polansky, appeared on the cover of InStyle magazine for its May issue and opened up about her hopes to have a family. When asked what she wants to get out of life, Gaga replied, "Marriage. I will say I'm very excited to have kids. I look forward to being a mom. Isn't it incredible what we can do? We can hold a woman inside and grow it." She continues, "Then it comes out and it's our job to keep it alive. It's so funny, everyone walks out of my house every day. When they come in, I always say welcome to the womb." Alright, yeah, this is Lady Gaga wish. She wishes to get married this year. Alright guys, stay tuned to my channel for more info, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.